Hello, today I am going to take you through how to extract data from Excel sheet and loading that data into a website or a web page in under 3 minutes. So first of all, we'll have a look at our simple web page. We have a process data button. So the moment I click the process data button, it will extract data from the Excel sheet and then display for us the first 5 rows within the Excel sheet and also give us some information about the Excel sheet. When we look at our Excel file, basically this is dummy data from a truck management company that manages close to 1,000 trucks. Looking at this data with the naked eye is very difficult to understand. So we use pandas to analyze this data. We can have a look at the code. So I'll start by installing the necessary libraries using the Python package installer. Pandas is used for data analysis. Flask is used for displaying Python web pages, and OpenPyXl is used to help pandas read Excel files. So I'll go through the code here. We use the read pandas method to read and extract the data from our Excel file. We also use the dropna pandas method to drop empty values within our data set. We also use the drop duplicates method to drop any duplicate values within our data. For example, since we have 1,000 trucks, it's very possible that the data entrants could enter the same truck information twice, and we don't want that. We'll perform data validation of our numerical values and also our date. Then finally, we're going to use the head pandas method to convert and to display our data frame into HTML tables. So this is a basic explanation of how this web page looks like, and you're supposed to present the number of trucks that are in the system. The info method will help you get all necessary information required. You know the status of the 955 trucks, for example, if they're active or not usable at all. We know that we have 767 lenders. We know the make of 954 of the trucks. We know the fair market value, meaning the current market value of 495 of the trucks. We know the down payment required for 955 of the trucks. So pandas has given me information that even me myself I didn't know about the spreadsheet. It's given us a brief summary about all this. It has even told us the amount of memory that we're using. So basically these are numbers you can present to the boardroom of your company as the head of IT. So that is how you use pandas and OpenPyXl to analyze Excel files. And for the full-length explanation of the code, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Digital Proximity. There's a 24-minute video about every aspect of the code, and the front end with Flask and index.html with Tailwind CSS. You can also follow us on our other social media handles, Digital Proximity on TikTok, the X social media platform. So thank you very much. Hope the information was helpful, and we'll see you next time in the next video.